Hey my queens, welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry about my voice right now. I am under the weather, but I know I gotta get these videos out to you all. Now I am laying down this wig that I constructed myself using some beautiful hair from a black owned company, and the name is Lavishcurlsboutique.com. I will leave everything down below. They do have a bundle deal just like other companies, but this one is amazing because I really do love supporting black owned businesses, and I really just love the hair. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Got To Be gel around the frontal area. The frontal came pre-plugged, which I absolutely loved. I only went in and went ahead and bleached the knots, but I'm going to be using this blow dryer, and this blow dryer is from Irresistible. This is their Onyx blow dryer. I absolutely love it. I will leave all the features of this blow dryer down below. It does have a cool setting, which is perfect for this particular style. So I'm just going ahead and getting my Got To Be gel pretty tacky so I can go ahead and attach my frontal, and it will stay on all for about 3 days for me. Usually I don't even let mine last for about 3 days, but it could because I like to switch up my wigs so much. But yeah, you definitely can keep this style for about 3 to 4 days if you're really, good with tying your hair up at night and not being too, the most with it, if you know what I mean. So as you can see, I'm just going ahead and taking my rat tail comb. As you guys know, I love these rat tail combs with the metal ends because it really does give a nice parting space, and it gives a really nice hold to my hair as well when I'm doing this frontal type of situation. Now I have been on my closure kick lately. When frontals first came out, I absolutely loved them, and then I went ahead and switched back over to closures because they're easier and just a lot less maintenance. But with this, I just absolutely love this frontal, how easy the knots bleached. It was perfect. The curl pattern, as you can see, is freaking gorgeous. I love this curl pattern, and they do call it the platinum lavish platinum Italian wavy. So I really do love this curl pattern. It's really gorgeous. I definitely recommend the hair. As far as shedding, I did get a few strands when I was washing the hair, but as far as for curly hair, I was really surprised at how much I didn't get, because I usually get quite a bit when I wash my curly hair. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure that this hair is that the hairline is pretty much down the way I want it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and finesse these baby hairs. I could have thinned them out a little bit more, and I probably will before I actually wear it out, but yeah, you guys know I OD on the baby hairs. If it's not your thing, then keep it pushing. I don't need the negativity, okay? But yes, I do like my baby hairs, so yes, I will keep on doing them into 2018 and probably 2019 as well, okay? So yeah, I will see you queens in my next video. Make sure you give me your feedback down below. I love you guys so much. Make sure you guys support this black owned business. Make sure you guys support Irresistible Me. I really do love their products. I've been using their products for quite a while now on my YouTube career, so definitely check them out, and I will see you queens in my next one. If you have further questions, leave those down below as well. Make sure you subscribe, share this video, and I will see you queens later. Deuces.